Here are 10 ideas for making money online. Start a blog or website. You can make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising. Sell products online. You can sell products through marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, or you can create your own e-commerce website. Online tutoring. You can offer your expertise in a particular subject and teach students online. Online surveys. You can get paid for participating in online surveys. Social media marketing. You can offer your services to businesses that need help with social media marketing. Content writing. You can offer your writing services to businesses and websites. Stock trading. You can invest in stocks online and make money through trading. Online course creation. You can create and sell your own online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Virtual assistant. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to businesses or individuals. Web design and development. You can offer your web design and development services to clients online.